So welcome to the next tutorial of Android. So we have already seen what is a relative layout and linear layout, and we have already created an application, basic application of Hello World, and created the APK file previously. If you have not seen, you can go and check out the playlist which is already shown here and in the description, and can check out all the details previously. Now in this lecture, I am going to show you how you can create a web application in which video application in which we can play the videos on Android. So for this, I'm going to clean up this whole details which I've shown you for the layouts. So select all and delete it. So I've deleted all the things from the constraint layout. Now in this constraint layout, I'm going to add in this view the video part. So for video part, I should go to the widget which is available here and select this video view. Once you select this video view, it will come out here and you can drag it on the screen. Also, you can adjust the screen size. So let me adjust the screen size to this much and let's apply the constraint here. So I'm applying this constraint here from this to end wall and also from this to the end wall. This we have already seen how to apply the constraint and all, and this to the end wall, and again this to the end. So all you can see, it has come out to the center part. Now I want to move it a little bit above. Let's move it a little bit above. Now this, let me expand this part a little bit like this a video, and let's move it up above. Now the things is fine. Now let's provide a text button, like you can go with the text view, and the text view you can directly apply text value. So applying a text value, first you should, which I've already shown you how to apply a text value. To go to the strings, select any string value like this and apply a string. These are basically kind of constants. I would say video text. So, and in this value part, let's write down my first video, my first Android video, and let's go to the activity main. In this activity main, you have this text part. Select on this text part and search for the activity main where you will find your string value. So I provided this video text as my first Android video. I'll select this Android select video. I want to make this text view as a bold, so I will apply bold text style. In this text style, make it true. So as you can see, it is true. I want to increase its size. Let's increase the size, and let's format the size. So it will go for the text size. Instead of 14 sp, let's make it 25 sp. So as you can see, my first Android video has size of this text has increased. And now I'll move this to the center and apply constraint layout from here till the end, and from here till the video part. Let's apply a little bit from here to the video part and from here to the end to make it in center. And let's move this text to the little bit above. Now this is my video part. This is my first Android video, it is saying, which I'm providing here in this video part. Now let me close this, and here as you can see, ID is video view. So this video view is the ID of this, and this is the ID of this is text view. So video view, I'll go to the activity main part. Let's close this strings, and we have already written these all text. Let me delete these parts because we don't require now. So in this on create, it says that whenever an application starts, on create will be called. So here only we will write a function, and for writing a function we will create a video view. This is Android video view. I'll make it video view VV, or make it video view. And in this video, I will say that find a video view by ID. So for that, find by ID, and ID is nothing but resources.id. And in this resources.id, I'll find text view, not the text view, but video view, which we have already seen. This is my video, and its ID is video view. For that only, I'm writing it here, video view. And after this, in this video, I will say, hey, like this video view, set my video path to this. So for that, video view dot set video path in the same path which I'm providing. So for certain things to be done, you should provide certain text or hardcoded text, like in Android. For that only, I will write Android dot resource. You need to write down like this only. Some developers might find it awful, but the thing is that either you should create this as a constant and provide it here, then only you'll be able to find those things. So what this says is that missing id with an annotation. So I am going to find this resource.id here only in the layout, resource id video view. Let's provide one more thing like get package. Then we can get package resource path, not get package resource path, get package name. Get package name, and in this package name I will go and search for the next path, that is r.raw. Now the thing is that we need to provide certain value here so that I can provide the resource of this video view here. For that, let's go and copy this intro part in my Android Studio in the raw folder. So I've refactored it and copied this video. This is a normal video of kids. So r.raw dot this hello world intro will come. So intro is there. So as you can see, we have provided a video view and set the video path from the Android resources. I'd call the to get package. Which package? R is nothing but res dot raw, and inside this check for this intro. Now when I'm going to build this and I'll run it as Android application, I click on this and automatically my emulator will start and my application will start from here. So this is being built. Let me expand it from here. It is being built right now. As you can see in the bottom, Gradle build is running right now. So let me expand it. Let's see why it is coming so small. Let me expand this part and a little bit more. This Gradle build is running again. Still, it has started. So right now the application will launch successfully. Now let me unable to manage that path. That is fine. Let me expand it, and it will play the media. So it has started. Let's see whether it will play or not. Unable to match the desired swap behavior. That is fine as of now. Get media, and it is now open this Android application which I've created. This was the previous creation. Clear all. Let me expand it. Let me again relaunch it. So stop and relaunch. This is normal warning. As of now, let's cross check what we have written in the code. We have created a video view. We have set the video path. We have not started the video. Just a second. For video to start, we should go to video view dot start, and now this video will play. Let's go to activity main again. Stop it and restart it. So now this time it will open and video will also launch. So it has already launched here. Let me close this, stop it and start it. So this video is open and it is playing right now. So now let's do one thing. Let's, as you have already seen, that this video is just playing, but this is not opening the desired format of video like play, pause, and these stuff. So to provide those things, let's provide the buttons of media player also. For that, let's go to the activity main, and here just before the video will start, I'll provide the other layouts of media control. So I'll say media control. So media controller. So media controller, I will provide media controller equals my new media controller, and I will say inside this provide this, that this class only, and I will say media controller, or I would say the video view we have provided. So let's go and provide the video view dot set media controller, and in this provide this media controller we have already created, and in this media controller dot set anchor view as this view video. So what we have done is we have created a video view, then we have created a media controller. After this, we have said that video view, set my media controller to this media controller we have created, and also media controller set anchor view to this video. And now let me go to the activity main and stop this and restart this application. So this time, let me expand this. Media is there, and also you can see media player is also coming here. Let me pull it here, play here. So this is a media controller. We have created a media and we are playing it on this media, and also we are able to pull out all the controls from this media player like this. So this is about creation of media player. You can easily create an application of media controller, and you can go to the build path. You can build APKs and can play those APKs in your application. Thank you all for watching the video.